In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is an innovative and dynamic collaboration tool designed for users of Microsoft 365. It serves as a collaborative workspace app designed to bring together your team's ideas, content, and tools all in one place. Within Microsoft Loop, you can create Loop pages, which are flexible canvases that allow you to combine things like text, links, tasks, and data seamlessly. Additionally, Loop integrates smoothly with other Microsoft applications to streamline your workflow. To begin using Microsoft Loop, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. Once you've found it, click to open the sign-in page. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If not, you may need to create an account first. After entering your credentials, you might be prompted to provide your password, or you may receive a one-time password, also known as an OTP, via email for verification. Once that's sorted, you'll be directed straight to the Microsoft Loop dashboard. This dashboard is your main hub within the app, offering easy navigation to all Loop functionalities. Now, once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to click on the Workspaces tab. This section shows a list of all the workspaces that are connected to this account and any that have been previously created. Think of workspaces as different projects or group efforts you might be involved in. Browse through the list to find the one you need to work on. Upon selecting the desired workspace, you'll notice a Loop icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This appears right beside the name of the currently opened page. It's a helpful visual cue to remind you of the workspace you are currently engaged in. Workspaces in Microsoft Loop are specifically designed to enhance collaboration, allowing you and your team to share responsibilities easily, monitor progress, and keep every piece of information interconnected for smooth access. As you delve deeper into using Microsoft Loop, the flexibility and integration with other applications become apparent, further enriching your team's collaborative experience. Remember, this tool is meant to facilitate real-time collaboration, so don't hesitate to explore its features and functions to best suit your team's needs. And that's a quick guide on how to get started with Microsoft Loop. I hope you find this walkthrough helpful as you navigate and leverage this powerful collaborative tool. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.